Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So now let's get started. At first open your application Adobe Lightroom Mobile CC, and import your photos in application. Then select a picture. Then go to the light panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the exposure to -80. Contrast to 20. Shadows to 66. Whites to -100. And blacks to -16. Now go to the curve tone. Adjust white like less. And click Done. Now go to the color panel. Adjust temp data to 19. Tint data to Vibrance to -25. Now go to the Mix tool. Go to red color. And saturation to -40. Luminance to -20. Go to orange color. Adjust the hue -5. Saturation to 7. And luminance to 19. Go to yellow color. Adjust saturation to -100. Go to green color. Adjust the hue -100. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -6. Go to aqua color. Adjust saturation to -100. Go to blue color. Adjust saturation to -100. Go to purple color. Adjust saturation to -100. Lastly go to magenta color. Adjust saturation to -100. And click Done. Now go to Effect panel. And clarity to 73. Vignette to -8. Then now go to the split tone. Go to highlight. Adjust the hue to 243. And saturation to 28. Go to shadows. Adjust the hue to 243. And saturation to 14. And click Done. Then now go to Details. And adjust the sharpening to 26. Noise reduction to 14. Color noise reduction to 19. Finally, now we are done.